How to search for the various reports. So we have the stock report, the stock adjustment report, the stock variance report, the trending reports, the items reports, the product purchase report, and also product sale report. So to be able to search for these reports, you need to first of all come to the report section and then you tap on stock report. So for stock reports, you'll be able to see a report on every product that you have on the software. So the ones that are in red are products that are out of stock or are about to finish. So the system will remind you for you to restock this product. So you can filter the stock reports by locations if you have multiple branches. You can filter out a branch that you want to see the stock report on. You can as well filter by categories. So you'll be able to see the report on that particular category. And also we have a subcategory, and then you can filter by brands and units as well. So you'll be able to see the closing stock by purchase price and also closing stock by sales price. And then we have the potential profit and also the profit margin. You can search the history of a particular product. So when you tap on the history of the product, you'll be able to see the quantities in, that is the total purchase, the opening stock, the total sale return, the stock transfer that are in. Then we have the quantities out, total sold, stock adjustment, total purchase return, and then stock transfers that are out. You'll be able to see the current stock in total. Then we have every details of it. So the types, the quantity change, the date, the reference number, and then the customer's name that purchased that particular product. And then also we have the stock adjustments report. So with the stock adjustments report, you'll be able to filter out by location. So if you have multiple branches that you want to see a stock adjustments report on, you just tap on the branch and then you'll be able to see that. So you'll be able to see the action, the date, the reference number, the location, the adjustment type, the adjustment direction, the total amount, the loss or gain, and then the total amount recovered, and then the reason for the adjustment, and then the user that added that particular adjustment. You can as well filter by dates that you want to see for the adjustment report. You can as well search by a particular date that you need the report on. So you can see the total normal, total abnormal, the total stock adjustments, the total loss or gain, and also the amount recovered. Also, we have the stock variance report. So with the stock variance report, you'll be able to see the overages and also the shortages. So the shortages, that is your loss, and then the overages, that is your gain. And then we have the net variance here as well. The pending recovery as well, the recovered amount, and then the recovery rate. So you can as well search by locations that you want to see for this report, and also you can search by date. You can filter out by sources, so by stock adjustments and then by stock taken. You can as well filter by variance type, so shortages only and then overages only. You can filter by recovery status as well, so pending or partial, you just tap on it and then those details will be pop out here for you. So you'll be able to see the action button for you to view this particular history of this report. We have the source, so the history of this particular report. So you can filter out by locations, by date, by sources, then the rest. So let's go back to the stock variance report. So when you view it, you'll be able to see the detailed variance. So the action button, the source, the reference number, the variance date, the location, the product, the quantity, the variance quantity, the variance type, the unit cost, the variance value, the recovery status, the recovered amount, and also the pending recovery. So you can see for all the products and then the locations. So you can search and then see the variance for a particular product that you want to have a report on. Then we have the trending product. So if you want to see the trending product in your shop, you can be able to filter out that particular product. So you can filter by locations. If you have multiple branches, you'll be able to see the most sold product. You can be able to filter by categories as well. Then we have categories, subcategories. We have brands, we have units. So you can be able to filter by unit as well. And then the date. So if you want to search for a particular date that you want to see a trending report on, you can just search for the date. Then the number of products. So if you want to search for the number of top trending products, you can be able to search for that. And then also the product type as well. So we have a chart for you to see that trending product. So you can see that the ice cream is the most sold product in your shop. So you can just tap on the print to print it out and then you keep it. Also, we have the items report. So you can be able to see every item report. You can filter by supplier, so by the supplier's name, the purchase date as well. So any date, yesterday, 30 days ago, you can search by months, by years, and also the financial year. Or you can just select the particular dates that you need this report on. You can as well search by a customer, so the customer's name. You can as well search by the sales date as well. And also the business location. So if you have multiple branches, you just search for the particular branch that you need this report on. So when you type for the particular item that you need a report on, you see the product name, the SKU, the description, the purchase date, the lot number, the supplier's details, the purchase price, the sale date, the sale, the customer, the location, the sale quantity, and then the selling price and subtotal as well. Always to the total will be generated down here for you, and also the quantity. Also, we have the product purchase report. So if you want to search for a particular product purchase report, you can filter out by the product. So you search for the product and then the purchase report will pop up for you to view the details. So you see the product name, the SKU, the supplier's name, the reference number, the dates, the quantity involved, the total units adjusted, the total purchase price, and then subtotal. So you'll be able to see all the totals on here for you. You can search by supplier's name. And then also you can search by location. So if you have multiple branches, you have to search for the location that you need a particular product purchase report on. You can as well search for a particular date that you need this report on. We have the custom range for you to select the particular date. And then also you can search by brands as well. Also, we have the product sale report. So with the product sale report, you have a detailed history. So you can filter out by the product name, by the customer's name as well. We have the customer group name, and then the business location, and then categories and brands as well. You can as well select the date that you need this report on. So a specific date. So the year, month, days, and also a custom range for you to select a particular date that you need. You can as well search by the time range. So we have the detailed for you to search the particular reports that you need. And also we have the detailed with purchase. So you'll be able to see the product name, the SKU, the customer name, the contact number, the email address, the invoice involved, the date, the purchase reference, and also the supplier's name, and then the quantity as well. So we have the grouped by date as well. So you'll be able to see the product name, the SKU, the date, the current stock available, and then the total units sold, and then the sum total. Always to the total will be generated down here for you. So you'll be able to see the quantity and then the total amount. Then we have by categories. So you can be able to see the product sale report categories, the current stock, the total units sold, and then the total. Also, the total will be generated here for you. So the current stock total, the units sold total, and also the total as well. Then we have by brands. So you can be able to see the brands, the current stock, the total units sold, and then the total. And you can see the total generated here for us. So all the total units sold and also the total. So this is how to search for your various reports.